What's going on, world? Jay Burch, the messenger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started using ClickFunnels, the basic ClickFunnels plan. Okay, so here we are in a basic ClickFunnels plan. So if you've just come through signing up for the 14-day trial, now you're logged in, you are a neophyte. You have no funnels, you have no pages, you have nothing. It's zero, right? So as you see all that information right here, this will continue to add up as you move through building funnels, contacts, all these things. So right now you have nothing. Now on this basic page right here, this is your priority list, if you will, and this is where you can, it says need help getting started, so you can actually get a free 30-minute onboarding call, right? You can actually help to get help to creating your first funnel. I'm going to do that with you guys anyway. Setting up your first Stripe account, I'm going to be doing that anyway. Funnel builder secrets, I highly recommend that you sign up for this. This is just a little bit more information as it relates to ClickFunnels and how you can use anything Russell gives you that's free. I highly recommend that you take that information and run with it. All right, your account profile setup, access that here. Set up ClickFunnels email sending. We'll do all these things here, right? So I just want to show you, these are some things that you guys can actually go back in your own spare time and just kind of navigate through and uncover some stones, see what's underneath those stones. That's the best way to really learn about a software. My goal is in these videos is to really just create actionable steps that you can, if you're working alongside, pause, go do, or whatever it is, however you're approaching it, it's to create action and let's get it done, specifically inside of the 14-day trial. Now, some of the projects, depending on what you're doing, let's be honest, it's probably going to take a little bit more than 14 days. But even if it's just a matter of setting something up to create maybe some opt-ins, create email lists, these are things that can be done. As long as you're willing to take action and do the work, you can do that and be successful within the 14-day trial. All right, so that's the goal, is to get you guys up and going and seeing some type of success within the free trial period or shortly after converting into an actual ClickFunnel membership. Okay, so that's what's going on here. So I want you guys to basically go through. Now you can also adjust information by hovering over the icon, as you see here, account settings, profile settings. Not so much going to be worried about the affiliates. We'll get into that later on in any of the tutorials that I'm referring to specifically as it relates to ClickFunnels. That'll be once you've already established something, then I can kind of show you and walk you through how to essentially promote, which is very similar to what I'm doing now. I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels, and I'm bringing you to success with ClickFunnels through this program that I've got here. So this is one of the strategies. So anyway, we'll talk more about that. And as you see here, you've got a notification for bell. Anytime there's something that you need to know, it's going to be here. Help. You'll find all new information related to ClickFunnels. Backpack is a part of ClickFunnels through the Actionetics program, which is the next step up. So the $97 is the 14-day trial where you're at. There's also the $297, which is much beefier. You can do a lot more, but specifically Backpack is where you have a product that you're wanting to promote that you can get other people to affiliate market for you. So that's where you keep track of that. And then again, as I mentioned, Actionetics will provide you with other, emailing, follow-up, retargeting type things that you don't have access to right now in the $97 package or trial. All right, so this is just the basics right here. In the next tutorial and the ones to follow, we're going to actually start building funnels. We're going to look at what are the elements, right? There's sections, there's rows, there's elements inside of those rows. So we're going to look at how to identify what type of funnel you want to construct based on your objective, and then what are the necessaries to put that thing together. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate.